Hello and welcome to this guidance video about completing the Declaration of Honour and mandates when submitting an application form to the UK National Agency. We are going to look at how to complete the Declaration of Honour, and then in the second half we will be looking at how to complete the mandates. The Declaration of Honour is a compulsory requirement when submitting an application form to the UK National Agency. When submitting an application via the application portal, you will need to fill out all parts of the application form. Before you submit, you will need to go to the Annexes section, which you can see on the screen now. In order to download the Declaration of Honour, you will need to click the button highlighted on the screen. The legal representative you have named in the contact section will be shown on the Declaration of Honour. If this changes before submitting your application, you will need to update the context section to reflect the correct information. You will need to download the form, print it, and then it does need to be signed by an original wet signature by the legal representative. The form will then need to be re-uploaded to the application form. When you download the Declaration of Honour, it should show the core year, the round, and the key action that you are applying for. Please ensure that you upload this version back onto the application form. The name of the legal representative will show as indicated on the screen. Please ensure that this is correct prior to submission. You will need to fill in the above details. The place should be the town where the Declaration of Honour has been signed. The date would be the date of when you signed it, and you will need to write the name and address of the lead applicant, including the VAT registration number if applicable. You will also need to put the name of the legal representative, and it will need to be signed with a wet signature. If you have a stamp for your organisation, please include it, but if you don't have a stamp, please just write not applicable. You will need to save the scanned version to your computer, and then once you are ready to submit your form, you will need to click Add Declaration of Honour in the Annexes section. Once you have done this, you will see a green tick next to the Annexes section on the application form. Next, we're going to look at the mandates. These are required for Key Action 2 and 3 applications. In order to download the template for the mandates, you will need to go to the Annexes section and click the button named Download Mandates. Please ensure that all correct information has been put into the Participating Organisations section, as this is where the information is pulled from for the mandates. You will need to download the mandates, print them off, and have them signed by the legal representative of the partner organisations. Please note we cannot accept electronic signatures. The mandates will need to be signed with an original wet signature. Please ensure that you upload the version of the mandates that you have downloaded from your application form. The mandate template will need to show the year, the round, and the key action that you are applying for as per the screen. The parts that are in red on this screen will automatically be completed from the information that you have input into the Participating Organisations tab. Your project name will also be inserted into the section highlighted. The form ID will be automatically generated by the application system. You will need to make sure that each mandate is signed by the legal representative of the partner organisation and by the legal representative of the lead organisation applying for funding. If both of the organisations have a stamp, please do include it. If you don't, please write not applicable. In order to upload the mandates, you will need to click the Add Mandates button on the Annex section. Please ensure that they are scanned in as one document, as you cannot upload more than one attachment. Once you have green ticks in all of the sections of the application form, you will be able to see a Submit button on the left-hand side of your screen. If you do require any further assistance with your application, please don't hesitate to contact us on the details shown on the screen.